Hello. Okay, so now that I have created my account with NoodleTools, I am Ron Weasley, if you can't tell. I need to create a project. You're going to notice right now, like projects, I can click on there, but these ones are kind of grayed out and I can't access them. It's because I don't actually have a project open. So anytime you want to do something new in NoodleTools, you look for the green button. I'm going to click the green button right here, and you're going to give your project a title. So I have to do a biography on, I had to pick somebody that I want to do my biography on, and I'm going to do Alexander Hamilton. There we go. Alexander Hamilton. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Now you're going to notice that I can actually get into these things right here. Yay! On the dashboard, my teacher has given me a research question, or I had to create some. I can type it in here. I can type in my thesis, my main claim or hypothesis. When I'm ready, I can actually link this to my Google Docs, because when you put in your profile over here, you put your LAUSD email, you've connected NoodleTools to your Google Docs. It'll ask for your permission again when you do that, and that's cool. But the most important thing that you're going to have to do is share this with a project inbox. So I will click right here, and your teacher's going to tell you what the name of the project inbox happens to be. Let's see. I'm going to just pick library TAs because that's me. Okay, and you notice that I didn't type the whole thing in. I typed part of it. The drop-down menu came. I clicked on the item in the drop-down because that's the actual link. We're not sharing a paper right now because you haven't created your paper. Make sure that this is your name, first name, space, last name with capital letters, and then say done. And then you'll know that you're there because voila, it shows up now. If you are doing a group project, your teacher may or may not have you doing a group project. But if you happen to be, you can actually click here with Share with Project Inbox. You need to know the name of the NoodleTools username or personal ID of the students you want to share with. This happens to be pretty easy because I'm asking everybody to do first name dot last name. So you can connect with them here. And then when you're done, you say done. I tend to be a very to-do list person. I love Post-it notes and to-do lists. It's awesome. And you can actually create some to-do lists here. So if my teacher is telling me that I actually have to have a physical book, okay, find and cite a book. And then it gives you a calendar. You pick the date, and you say submit, and it will add that. So if you have quite a few things to do, you can put this on here. Find and cite a database. And we're going to have all our citations in by Friday. How's that? Okay, I'll just do one more. It's pretty easy. You can figure it out. Find and cite a reliable website. Okay, I'll put this on Friday as well. Yay. And then you can put the dates for when you have to have your note cards written and things like that. You're going to see down here, there's a section for comments. As your teacher goes through and looks at your projects, if you're doing something great and fantastic, your teacher may comment. If you're not doing something exactly the way you're supposed to do it, your teacher can comment on here. I really liked this feature as a teacher because just not enough time during the class to go through everybody's project, but I can sit and binge watch Doctor Who and go through and read people's note cards and make comments. So now I have my project created. Now, here's something you do need to know. Like, now that it's created, I can open up and get into sources, and I can get into note cards. Not yet paper, because I haven't created my paper and I don't want to create it right now. I can go back here for projects, and it says that this is the one that's open. So if I had several projects here, the one that you actually have currently open will say open. Now, I usually will get a frantic email from somebody because they can't get into note cards or sources. So I'm going to sign it. And they'll come up here and they're like frantically hitting all these things and like nothing. Like, what? I can't get in. It's because you actually have to let it know which project you want, even when you only have one project. So the blue word is the hyperlink. And once you click it, you have opened the project, and now you can get into all of these things. So you've created your project. You've shared it with your teacher. You are on your way to doing some great research.